Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to uh, fetch text from an image file using Java and Tesseract API. So let's start. So in order to parse an image file to fetch text out of it, uh, in other words, do the OCR, optical character recognition, we have to, there are many libraries available in the market. So we will be using one free OCR which is known as Tesseract. So first thing is we have to download this uh, test4j API. Just a simple. Uh, you have to download this from the source force, and just click on this download button, and it is going to download this API. And I have already downloaded it in my system. After downloading, you have to just extract it here, and this will be the contents. So you will be importing this jar files in your project, and this is your test. This is the test data path. Like if you are going to pass it is a language specific test data files, which is the trained data which you are going to include in your project, so that it knows that what type of text it is going to fetch from the image. So let's get started. So here first create a project, new Java project, name it something like do OCR, finish. We will be creating a class inside this. We need the main. Okay, so now the next thing is to import the jars. So let's import the jars, add external jars, import these jar files. Now we have to first thing is we have to supply the path where our image file is kept. So just give the path, creating a file object. So I have kept my image file in here. So this is the image file. I'm going to parse. So just copy this path and give it here. Import the library packages. Okay. Now the next thing is to create the object of Tesseract. So let's create the object of this Tesseract API. Great. Now the next thing is, as I have told you earlier, we have to pass the data file to set data path. Give the path of this data folder. This is the data folder. Sorry, test data. Okay. Great. And the next step would be to read the file. So obj dot do OCR. We will be calling a static method of Tesseract class, and we are going to pass the path of the. We are going to pass the file in here. Okay. Now it is going to return us a string, so just store it in a string, and then the next step would be to take output on the console for now. Okay, so let's run this Java application, and this reading our files very accurately. Okay, so guys, keep this thing in mind that if you are trying to automate captchas using this, so it is going to work only for the simple captchas, not for the complex ones. By complex ones, which I mean that those captchas which involve human interactions, or those captchas which has a high quality one, means high quantity of noise in them. Those captchas won't be able. It is not going to automate. It is going, this OCR. It's going to automate. Going to pass only simple plain images and simple captchas. So this is the way it is done, guys. Thanks. Bye.